So here we are, part 2. I'm just popping the bic in, and here we're just cleaning up the sockets. Now, doing two things here. So the socket's all nice, but also cooling it down, sucking some of the heat out of the socket part, leaving enough in the stem. We can put the final bend on, make sure we've got the right angle. Push this gouge. Once we've got the correct angle that way, we're going to keep it clean, obviously, because these are pretty much finished up now. And again, taking some of the heat out of that socket. And I'm going to get the hammer and just make a minor sideways correction. All ship shape and sorted. We're going to put the mark on. One good whack. And there it is, GJH. Now, what do I want to do here? Yes, it's heat treat time. So we're going to warm up the oil before we do the quench. Got a big old hammerhead in there, and a nice little bit of rod that can handle it. And that's going in the oil, just to get a bit of heat in there. Lovely. Now, not the easiest of things to get a full heat on, so I've opted that the socket just gets sort of normalised. Socket probably won't be hot as it gets quenched, as it were, but the whole stem blade, whoop, yeah, got good and hard. Carefully, just clean them up a little bit. And these two shots are really long shots that I've just chopped up. And this one especially, it looks like I've just picked them up, but in reality this is a 20-25 minutes edited down to a few seconds. So there we are, nice and clean, ready to get a temper on them. Now I'll do the tempering on the boards, simply to avoid using gas, and it takes a while. There they are, all tempered back.